Welcome to hash cracking and password recovering code output as input for base64 through pipe. The single parallel line between Venom and base64 is called pipe. Condition here is that the receiver machine should understand an encoded algorithm so the machine will be able to decode it. Here base64 encoded Venom into random characters. So now let's try to decode it. John will calculate the result on every hash. Based on this result, you will be able to better access your attack. We will see the practical of them one by one. The extra (D), which stands for the digital number. Similar, we can do with another example, people 1 to 3. Here, the first letter is capital V, so we can change it with (U), which stands for the uppercase letter. If we want to look for only binary and lowercase letter, then we can predefine our new mask pattern by adding (1) and space. After the space, we can use (L) and (B). Let's see an example here of this type of tag. First, we will generate hash using our online tool. We are using here small a and capital A. Here we got our original password correct. Okay, we got that this file contains the password with the length 1 is 1, with length is 59, with length is 6, starting ascending to descending order of every password in that list. As we can see, is starting from 0 and going to in ascending order to do yo. Okay, here we got the password pass12. As we can see that it will rotate or replace with each other the last two characters. That